Welcome back, Awesome Kids TV fans, to another knex Upgrades episode. Yay! We are back with more knex Upgrades Season 3. Today we are looking at knex Upgrades Rarity. This streamlined steam train, as you can plainly see, is based off of the DB10 class streamlined steam engine all the way from Germany. I was originally gonna make her based off of a British steam engine, like a British steam train from like the time steam became a big thing, like Bodman the Great. I was originally going to make her based off of Bodman the Great, the first ever steam engine who lived for a certain amount of time, but I unfortunately did not make her based off of that engine, and so I made her based off of Freida instead. This engine has a valve on the back like Freida, streamlined handrails like Freida, piston connecting rods in the middle like Freida, and everything. It even has the flat dome and two funnels, even though I could have put the flat dome right there, like 2 feet away from the two flat funnels, but nope. I did not. And I, of course, added the flat cab roof and whistle, the streamlined cow catcher on the front, and the regular old buffers on the back. Now, let's take a look at that tender. And if you're wondering, yes, I did unfortunately move on from using Avatar Maker Fantasy Pony on the new tablet to Avatar Maker Horses, because the Avatar Maker Fantasy Pony was glitching like crazy. So here's the tender. I know, I didn't really make it look like the actual Freida's tender by adding the square detailing on it. But that's okay, it's all good. It still has the 6 occasional wheels. And the bar-like thing in between the wheels and the axle. Now the actual engine. I'll work on this engine I'll work on the engine's wheel system to make it go a little bit faster than this. A little bit later. But this is the actual engine. Cowcatcher buffer on the front, regular buffer on the back, Freida-like wheel system on the sides, and of course the occasional streamlining. And that concludes today's knex Upgrades episode. And do not forget to stay tuned for the 4th season of knex Superchargers coming very soon. We will see you in the next episode of knex Upgrades. We're going after knex Upgrades Rainbow Dash. Bye-bye.